Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to learn a little about Acne vulgaris. We're also going to give you a peek behind the scenes on this channel, so please stay tuned. Acne vulgaris is a common chronic skin disease involving blockage and or inflammation of hair follicles. Acne can be present as non-inflammatory lesions, inflammatory lesions, or a mixture of both, affecting mostly the face but also the back and chest. Let's take a look at some examples of acne. While you watch, I want to point out the importance of supporting medical channels like ours. Adam and I have several channels and we total about 2 million views a day. Unfortunately, we aren't supported by YouTube ad revenue. That's likely due to the nature of our content. Where some people make about $1,000 off a million views, last month one of our channels made 10 cents off 10 million views. Admittedly, it is ironic because we get a lot of comments from people saying we make YouTube videos just for the money, and that isn't the case. If you do want to support us, obviously click subscribe and select the bell for notifications. If you're a true fan, consider picking up a pimple popper kit, Rest More, or a facial mask from m7amazon.com. Our work with Amazon actually pays the bills. I'll put a link in the description below. If you need help with sleep, Rest More is loved by a lot of people, and our pimple popper tools earn an amazing level of praise. Now let's hear from New York giant Christian Sicoli with a word about Rest More, my favorite sleep supplement.
Christian Sicoli here. I just want to give a big shout out to all the people enjoying a good night's sleep with Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural sleep supplement that helps people get a better night of sleep. I gotta say, myself as an athlete, sleep is probably one of the most important things and underrated things. for us to focus on. It's huge for me. I've always needed my 8 hours, honestly, especially when I'm competing intensely. If I get 7 hours 2 nights in a row, it's a problem. I need 8 hours plus 9, 10 hours a lot of times too. So sleep is definitely huge for me. Anyway, Rest More, all natural sleep supplement, helps people get a better night of sleep.
Rest More helps you obtain natural sleep without all the side effects of prescription or over-the-counter medication. It's all natural and safe to use every night. So what are you waiting for? Try Rest More today and start getting a full night's sleep. Oh, and here's one more example of acne. Hopefully this video proved educational and entertaining. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.